On the 22nd of June 2022.
Asustusyhtiö Holvikirkko.
Yes, we have Kaivomestarinkatu Brunmästargatan 8-A here in Espoon keskus, Espoo Centrum, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, Uusimaa, Finland. Let me show you why this elevator is so special. Because of the serial number. And here we have it. It's 44444. We did it. We found it. I didn't think we would find it. We did it today. It was built in 1980, finished 1981. This building was built at the turn of the year in 1981 with 6 floors. It was amazing. There's just 2 rights. So do you think 2 or 3 rights? 2 or 3?
Probably 3 is from the time. So.
It will be inspected next year, 2023.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 rights.
Yeah.
This is so special.
Yeah.
You can of course watch all the staircases in this residential building.
Yeah. Inspekterat på liftinstruktet med den på Espoon hissi.
All 6 out of 6 here, you can watch them.
Yeah. You can press.
Of course. Just one more look at it. Let me go and check the alarm.
Yeah. That's